G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have done a festival look for you guys. I was really inspired to do a festival look because Coachella's coming up and I really want to go to Coachella one year, but I'm not going this year, which is very sad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so I've just done my brows and my base. You guys have seen me do it that many times that it would be probably boring by now. So I'm just going to get straight onto the eyeshadow. In this colour here, it's kind of like a burnt yellowy orange colour. It's not quite yellow and it's not quite orange. And now I'm going to be taking the bright orange up the top. I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Next I'm going to be taking this NYX Jumbo eye pencil. Now I'm going to take this little eyeshadow here, and it's from a brand called Essence, and it is just like a really cheap brand. So I'm going to use that to smoke out the bottom lash. Now I'm going to use this NYX liquid liner. It's a white eyeliner, and I'm just going to do maybe some dots above my eyebrows and a little inner corner. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to be doing some highlighting with my Anastasia Glow palette. So nice. I'm going to use Forever Lit and Kitty Cat. I feel like it's not a festival look if you don't look like the Tin Man. Like, seriously. Come on guys. I look like I'm from outer space or something. I'm just going to do my mascara and lashes off camera, but if you're wondering what lashes I'm going to be using, I'm going to use my Model Rock lashes 212. I'm going to use a lip liner from Kylie Jenner, and it is Candy K. Now I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin and apply that all over the lips. I'm going to use Kylie Jenner's matte liquid lipstick in One Wish, and I'm going to apply that on the centre of my lips. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with this NYX white liner, and I'm going to apply a line right down this centre of my lips.